So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, and good morning also. Okay, and today I'm going to give you information about the Neweer condenser microphone. So if you are doing the sound recording work, then in that case you have to use the condenser mic. It will be very useful when you are producing some sounds. Okay, so now you can see here, now in my future video I am going to use this one. So but today I'm just using this smaller mic to record the sound, but it's okay. In my future video I'm going to use this microphone. So guys, if you want to also know about this Neweer condenser microphone, then this is the right video for you. Okay, and I'll show you what kind of equipments will be inside the packaging of the Neweer condenser microphone. And if you want to know that one, you can watch this video, otherwise you can skip it from here. Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Dipesh Rai. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So without any late, let's start our video. So guys, today I'm going to unboxing this Neweer microphone. So now you can see here I have already opened the package of this one. Okay, so here is different kind of things. So here is some wires, here is the power cable also available, but I think the power cable is for something else. And here is the actual product. So now you can see here is the microphone. Okay, so here is inside here, this is the actual product. Okay, okay, so inside here there is few stands also available. So this is also stands, different kind of stands, and we can see there is a holder also available. To I think in this holder you can easily put this microphone like this, maybe, oh, maybe in this side. Yeah, like this you can easily put the microphone. Okay, so this is one of the amazing product. So if you are doing the sound recording, in that case it will be very useful. Okay, so I'll put this one. So I'll put this one in this side. Okay, so in my future video I'm going to use this microphone to record my audio. Okay, so hoping that you get few ideas about this Neweer Condesner microphone. Okay, that's it. So hoping that you get few ideas about the Neweer Condenser microphone. So if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. I'll make a separate video on that topic also. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye. See you again.